Hey, what's going on, guys? And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how to legally sell grills. I know a lot of people got questions that they say, do you need either a business license or a dental license in order to sell grills? Now, the question is for a dental license. Yes, in some states, they require you to have a dental license. I'm not too sure of all the states, but I'm going to go over how to get around this so you can still do business and still make money without having any lawsuits and what sort. So how to legally sell grills. Now, the first thing you want to do is some states does require a dental license in order to take mold impressions. It's not about anything else you're doing when you're making it or you're giving it to the customers. It's about taking that dental impression. The moment you put that impression in their mouth, they expect you to be a dental assistant or dental tech or a dentist in order to do such a procedure. They consider it a procedure. But what you want to do is, like I said, is Google your state first and find out if it's required. Like I said, some states does not require it for you to take an impression, but some states does. But if some states do, we're going to go over what you should do in order to cover your ass. So if you currently have your dental license, which will be great, it's a plus. You just want to make sure that you show it in your store. You know, you can put it in a frame, post it onto the wall. Just show that so when people come in, they don't have to second guess you, and it's easier for you to feel like you're at ease because you're showing that. So show it off, show your accomplishments if you have that. If not, it's fine. You don't have to have it. So if you do not have a dental license, one thing you want to get is your business license and show that in your store. At least have your business license and present that in your store so they know that you're a legitimate business. You can sell from out your store so that, like I said, you want to stay professional and that's legally documented that you're able to do business in that state. So another thing is that get your clients to sign a waiver and have them take the impression themselves. So if you don't feel comfortable, if your state says you need a license to do it, dental license, then just have the customer do it right there in front of your face. You tell them how to do it, you give them the instructions, boom, they can perform it right there, and have them sign a waiver stating that they know what they're doing. Whatever happens is on them, and that waiver will help cover you because they knew what they were doing before they signed that paper. So have them sign a waiver, and that will work as well. You don't want to be the one to actually perform it. Let them do it for you. And another thing is, if you don't want customers to have to do it themselves because maybe they're not that well, they're not that good at it, just have them go to your nearest dentist just to get their mold taken. The best thing to do is you can reach out to local dentistries and actually communicate with them and say, hey, I have customers that would like to get their mold taken. Can we get a deal going where I can send them to you and they'll get their dental impressions taken and they'll bring them back to me. And most likely they can work that out and give you a good deal whenever you send referral business to them. So you might want to reach out to your local dentist or just have people go to the nearest dentist and send it or return it back to you so you can start making a grill. Okay, and how to keep people from questioning your business. You don't want one question, you don't want no one to sit there and ask you questions like, is this a legitimate business? Are you able to really take impressions? Are you able to do grills here? You don't want them to ask them that. So just to keep them from asking that question, stay professional. You want to make sure you're staying professional. I love to stay professional in the grills industry because it separates me from others. They believe that, it's a gangster grill type of thing, and it doesn't have to be. All kinds of people all across this world wear grills, even to the professionals. So just stay professional, and by, presenting your business that way, people will not come after you any type of way. They're going to respect your business. They respected my business for so long, but that's what's going to happen to you. They'll respect you, and they won't try nothing, sneaky towards you. Don't try to interrupt the local dentist businesses. And what I mean by this is don't try to steal the customers so you can sell them grills so that they don't have to buy, teeth or temporary teeth from the dentist. So just make sure that you do not try to interrupt them. Don't steal the customers. Don't reach out to them about collaborating with customers. Just leave them alone. Don't contact the dentist because they typically don't know nothing about grills and they won't help you with anything. So Just stay to yourself and communicate with me, and you guys will be fine. So just follow this rubric right here, and you'll easily be able to sell grills legally. So we'll see you in the next video.